Yo, young world leaders, ever wondered why the US dollar is so universally adored? Ever traveled abroad and noticed how everyone seems to love the US dollar? It's like a universal language that everyone understands. It's like that friend who walks into a party and suddenly everyone wants to be their best friend. The dollar has that magnetic charm. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the ancient markets of Marrakesh, the dollar is king. No matter where you go, the dollar's influence is undeniable. It's the currency everyone wants a piece of, and for good reason. It's trusted, it's stable, and it's everywhere. This little green piece of paper holds serious weight in the global economy. But why is that? What gives it such power and prestige? What makes the US dollar the Beyoncé of currencies, running the world stage with its economic swagger? It's all about trust, history, and influence. Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of the almighty dollar. Get ready to explore its journey, its impact, and why it continues to reign supreme. Now, the dollar wasn't always this cool kid on the block. It had to earn its stripes, just like any other currency. It started as the underdog, the new currency on the scene when the United States was just finding its footing. Back then, it was a fledgling nation with big dreams but limited influence. But after World War I, things started to change. Europe was in shambles, struggling to rebuild from the devastation. Europe was kinda messed up, and guess who stepped up to the plate? The US of A. With its industries booming and innovations flourishing, America was on the rise. With its booming economy and stable political system, the dollar became the go-to currency for international trade. It was reliable, backed by a nation that was quickly becoming a powerhouse. Then came World War II, and boom, the US emerged as a global superpower. And the dollar? It was no longer just an American currency. Well, it became the global currency, a symbol of stability and trust in an uncertain world. From humble beginnings to global domination, the journey of the dollar is a testament to the rise of a nation. So, what keeps the dollar on top? First off, the US has the largest economy in the world. That's kind of a big deal. Second, the US financial markets are super stable and liquid. Think of it like a well-oiled machine, attracting investors from all corners of the globe. And let's not forget the good old US of A's commitment to free trade and open markets. It's like a giant open for business sign, inviting everyone to play in the economic sandbox. Speaking of playing, the US is a major player in global trade. We're talking oil, gold, you name it, it's probably traded in dollars. This demand for dollars keeps the greenback strong and desirable. It's like the ultimate supply and demand game, and the dollar is winning. Plus, many countries hold their foreign reserves in, you guessed it, US dollars. It's like everyone wants a piece of the American pie, or should I say, the American dollar bill. So, will the dollar always be the boss? Well, predicting the future is like trying to read Kanye West's mind. Anything is possible. But for now, the dollar's dominance seems pretty secure. The US economy is still a powerhouse, and the dollar remains a stable and reliable currency. Of course, there are always challengers vying for the top spot. The euro, the yuan, they're all trying to climb the currency ladder. Look, the dollar is a total baller, no doubt. It's the most widely used currency in the world, and for good reason. But like any currency, it has its ups and downs. Market forces, global events, and economic policies all play a role in its value. Economic crises, political instability, these can all shake things up. We've seen it during the Great Recession and other financial downturns. However, the dollar has weathered many storms and come out on top. Its ability to recover and maintain strength is remarkable. It's resilient, adaptable, and backed by the economic might of the United States. The financial infrastructure and trust in the US economy play a huge role. So, next time you see a dollar bill, remember that it's not just a piece of paper. It's a testament to economic stability and trust. It's a symbol of American economic power and a key player in the global financial game. From trade to investment, the dollar is central. Peace out.